Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn off, disable your auto brightness on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to find display and brightness. It will be under control center, and here you will find automatic. It means that now it's in automatic mode. So here you can see sunset to sunrise, schedule times to change appearance automatically. iPhone may wait to transit until you are not using the screen. So for turning it off you just need to click here and it will disable automatic brightness on your iPhone. So now you can only you can also control your brightness on your iPhone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe on my channel, click like, and goodbye.